Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some easy pancakes that are kid-friendly and perfect for picky eaters. So let's get started. The ingredients you're going to need are 1 banana, 1 egg, cinnamon, and vanilla. This will give you 6 small pancakes. So the first thing you want to do is smash the banana with a fork. Then you're going to add your egg and you're going to mix everything together. Now you're gonna add a dash of cinnamon and a splash of vanilla. If you don't like any of those 2 ingredients, you could omit them and just have the egg and the banana. They will still come out really delicious. Now heat up your skillet and put it at medium, no more than that, because if not, the pancakes will get burned. I'm using avocado oil and I'm just putting a little bit and using a paper towel to spread it all around the skillet. And once your skillet is hot, we can start cooking our pancakes. Once they look a little solid and not so runny, you can see it right here. Now you can flip it, because if it's runny, then it's gonna break apart. And they are ready. So I'll show you in this part how they look from both sides so you can know more or less. So this is how we started and this is how they look when we flip them. My daughter will usually eat 3 of the pancakes because they're not that big, so 3 for her are enough. And I serve it with a side of fruit. Any fruit you have in hand works. This time I had peaches, so I serve it with a side of peaches. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and you find it useful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And now the test is to see if she likes them or not. So here it is. Is it yummy?
Yes. Yummy.
Yummy, huh? ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es lo que estás comiendo? ¿Qué comes? So cute.